No one knows me completely. Even the name of the sun is infamous. But when it burns, people are with each other. I am also very quarrelsome, but my discipline is also perfect. Man sometimes becomes so compelled that he cuts the communication cords with his own hands. Some unrequited love has gone bad. Now we are not like the first pictures. Whether people are lovers or haters, I keep them in my heart. Sometimes the heart wants to talk to someone on the soul level. Fall in love with a writer. He will make your ordinary love special. When I realized that he had to go, I laughed. Being patient doesn't mean you don't cry. We love life as long as we get a chance to live. Don't give any human being the right to decide when you should laugh and when you should cry. I was afraid of death. Very afraid, or maybe not of death, but of life after death. The moment slips away from the fist of time. Hypocrisy is like bad breath. A person is afraid when he says in his foreign language that you are. I talk a lot and talk to listen to me by translating my thoughts. There is a word or a verse of peace. O Lord of the Most High, my heart is sad. Allah uses broken things with great beauty. If you forget, nothing important is left. If you remember, everything was necessary. After your departure, they think when your presence was necessary.